Hi, everyone. It's Ross Bridges here, eXp Realty, about to present to you the Market Watch for October 2022. A special shout out to all of our veterans who have served overseas and here in Canada. Let's take a look deeper in Oakville's Market Watch. So looking at this chart here, what I want to really point out is months of inventory, how we've seen it steady go from 2.8 months of inventory. Now we're at 3. And that's always been the threshold at 3 months where it's been more of that balanced buyer's market. So coming out of the seller's market like we have the last couple months, days on market has stayed pretty consistent at around that 23 days. And we'll dive into this a little bit deeper, but we are seeing the average sale price is still at around the $1.5 million mark for the homes. So looking at the trends for 2022, we can see from, obviously we're in the peak of the market back in February, beginning of March. We have seen obviously a correction in the market. And honestly, that's what we wanted to see after the chaos that occurred. So really happy to see that things are stabilizing, a much more maintainable market, and it's a great time to go out and look to buy a home. So looking at the last 5-6 year trend, basically the average and medium sales price, pointing out that obviously we did have a correction that occurred in April of 2017 with government announcements, and there's been this steady climb year in and year out. So remains to show that real estate in the GTA in Oakville is a tremendous investment. Okay, and on this last slide here, what I want to point out is the different styles of homes. So we have it from detached right across to condos. And if we look at MOI, that's months of inventory, we see that we're now approaching 3 months, and in some other categories approaching closer to 4 months and over 4 months for condos. So that's the line where we go from a seller's market below 3 months up until a buyer's market, which we haven't seen probably since back in 2017. Now, I do also want to point out it is going to be different from neighborhood to neighborhood. So whether you're looking at, say, a home in Glen Abbey or one down in Brawny, there's going to be a variance in terms of what we have for inventory in those areas. For more of a conversation, please don't hesitate to contact me. You can reach me below by email at info@teambridges.ca or pick up the phone and give me a call or text at 905-220-1848. I'm Ross Bridges, helping you find your way home.